Hi, Sarah Banas here, Spectrum Weavers. I'm going to show you today how to download, extract, and then upload to the Design Space app on Android devices. Very easy. So let's go ahead and get started. You can see that I'm on designbundles.net. I will link their free section in the video description. Lots of good free designs. And they all include commercial use license free. So the first thing you'll want to do, so this is this week's, super cute. You'll want to click on download free now. And then you'll want to click download. And then you'll want to click open file. Unclick the bottom one that says Mac. You only need that top one. On the bottom right, click extract. Okay. And now you can close out of this. Okay. Oops. Close out of that all the way. Now open Design Space. New project. In the middle of the bottom, click on upload. Select from photo library. Yours will not open to this page, but that's fine. What you want to do, these three lines in the upper left-hand corner, click on that. Click on downloads. Now select the one that you want to use. Select it again. You can see there's lots of different file types. There's a JPEG, DXF, EPS, PNG, PNG here, and then the SVG. The .svg is the one that you want. Click on that. Then go ahead and name it. Hedge. Save. Click on it. Insert. And that's it. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. Make sure that you like the video and subscribe. That way you'll get notifications when all the new videos come out. Have a good